Final destination is Sun and Fun 2024.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are about to head to Sun and Fun 2024, and we're running, I don't know, about a day late. The weather yesterday was not very good for us to fly Trey's Beech 18, and so now it's going to be, you know, it's early morning, it's 5:30 in the morning, and it's foggy. So now we have to hang out and wait for the fog to break and then head down to Sun and Fun.
Mixture's rich, props full, oil shutter's hot, flaps 15, gear down, tail whip locked. Alright, trim set, controls check. Boost pump on. Passengers check. Alright, ready for takeoff? Alright, takeoff power is 2300 RPM. Tail up at 40 to 60. Rotate 100. Airspeed 100 to 110. Gear is up. Throttle is 33 manifold. Drops are 2100 RPM. Flaps are up. Mixture lean for EGT. Engine gauge is checked. Oil shutters adjusted and boot pumps are off. We are headed to Cross City via Talladega waypoint. So we can stay out of some restricted space, and then our final destination is Sun and Fun 2024. It is a beautiful morning.
6 Whiskey Alpha Jack, climb maintain 16,000, altimeter Dothan 3001. I'm not sure if you were answered, just trying to wait for some to check. But can you fly via banks on arrival? Up with you, Roger. Clear direct heaven. After heaven, join the banks on arrival. That's Bravo Alpha, November Golf Zulu 1 to St. Petersburg Airport. Envoy 3767. Contact Tallahassee approach 135.8.
Overall, it's been a really smooth day.
Off Mike, the first piece of traffic are no factor. Additional VFR traffic on your 11 o'clock. And just about 5 miles per hour westbound at 4,500 feet. That is a verified type unknown.
They used to joke in the DC-3 that the pilot could tell how heavy flight attendant was when she walked to the back. How much you got to push it forward. Testing my trim. He's going this way, then that way, and that way. You got to give him a little nose down, make him jump a little bit. Jack Center, Twin Beach, 690, airport site. We'll go ahead and cancel with you.
Aircraft calling center, say again.
Twin Beach, 87690, we'll go ahead and cancel.
Number 87690, radar service terminated, spot VFR, frequency change up route, and be advised there are several VFR targets northwest of the coast of the airport at 900,000 and various altitudes.
Squawking VFR, over advisory for 690.
Marion County traffic, 12 Juliet, west downwind, 23, Marion County. Cross City traffic. Cirrus 22 Bravo Victor on left base for 13, full stop. Cross City traffic.
So I was checking the airplane out, just, you know, why not? And then I happened to see this little guy that rode 3.5 hours right there. Here we are at Cross City, Dixie Aviation. They have been stellar. I mean, stellar. We taxied right up. The two guys got out. They filled up the airplane, and restrooms and all that were very clean here at the FBO. And now we're about to load back up and head down to Lakeland. We got to actually go south and then turn around and come back up from the south, and that's the way the War Birds are supposed to come in. So But anyways, been a good flight, uneventful so far. See y'all at Lakeland.
Silver T610 south, just hold south of the Delta. We've got jet traffic inbound about 12 miles out.
Alright, we'll come in a couple more miles and hold Silver T6. Yellow T34 is entering downwind. We can keep it short if you like.
Yellow T34, you got the Twin Beech in sight?
Negative.
And Twin Beech, stay your position.
We are 8 to the south, 2,700.
Alright, T36, start your descent, 10 right, clear to land.
10 right, 10 right, clear to land, yellow T34.
T34, my mistake, yep. And Twin Beech, remain south of the Delta for the jet traffic inbound.
Remaining south 4 and slowing her down forward.
Tower Sun Country 3064, visual 10 right.
Sun Country 3064, Lakeland Tower, runway 10 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 10 right, Sun Country 3064.
War Bird arrival, you'll Twin Beech to circle out to the left or the west.
Twin Beech, affirmative. Just circle out there about 5 miles south. Once we get this jet inbound, we'll get you in. The jet's currently on a 6-mile final.
Okay, sounds good, thanks.
Twin Beech, you're at 2100 now?
Affirmative.
Roger. 234, right turn at 523, follow flagman. Welcome back.
Right turn at 523, thanks.
Twin Beech to the south, proceed inbound, enter midfield, right downwind, runway 10 right, report midfield entry.
Reporting, headed back inbound and report a midfield for right downwind for 10 right.
War Bird arrival, Evo 1112 to the northwest, 700 feet. War Bird arrival, Evo 1112 to the northwest, 700 feet.
Whoever's trying to call on the War Bird arrival, that radio is unreadable.
Lakeland Tower off 4 and 3 are holding for both runways at off 4,
War Bird arrival, Eval 11 radio check.
Alright, Sun Country 30. Sun Country 3064, make a 180 on runway 10 right, back taxi, no delay please.
180 on the runway, back taxi and 10 right, no delay, Sun Country 3064.
And Silver T6 is sequencing behind the beach if we can start in.
Unable for that. My Twin Beech is the last one in. We've got inbound aircraft from the west.
And Twin Beech can cut it off and go straight into the right downwind if you'd like.
Sun Country 3064, no delay on the back taxi, please. We've got additional aircraft inbound. I appreciate your help today.
Hey, you bet. We're doing our best. 3064.
Thanks so much.
And Silver T6 is slated to fly in the show. Can you get us in?
Silver T6, not right now. We've got more inbound traffic from the west, jet traffic inbound for now. Just remain 5 miles south or more.
Alright, outside the Delta, Silver T6.
Twin Beech is midfield, turning right downwind 10 right.
Navion, remain to the south. Can't get you in right now. Remain clear of the Delta.
Orbit arrival, eval 11, radio check.
All aircraft to the south. Unfortunately, we can't get you in right now for inbound jet traffic. Twin Beech, you're my last arrival. Extend the downwind. I'll call your base. We got aircraft back taxiing on 10 right.
Wilco, Twin Beech.
Twin Beech, turn base.
Base, Twin Beech.
Second Skyhawk at Foxtrot, runway 10 right. Line up and wait.
The airplane's still on the roof. I got plenty of time.
Orbit arrival, eval 11, single helicopter 6 to the northwest.
The high wing Cessna at Foxtrot, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, maintain VFR, fly runway heading straight out for at least 3 miles. Twin Beech, runway 10 right, clear land.
10 right, clear land, Twin Beech.
Twin Beech, you're planning on exiting at 523. You're going to be Toro, runway 10 right at Papa 2. Line up and wait. You're going to be departing midfield. Line up and wait. Traffic will be departing. Traffic will be departing midfield. Correction. Line up and wait. Runway 10 right at Papa 2. C-Ray, runway 10 right at Foxtrot. Line up and wait. Traffic downfield is holding in position. Twin Beech, great job today. No delay. Right turn at 523.
Right turn at 23, thanks.
CA traffic downfield is exiting at 523, offset to the left, runway 10 right at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, maintain VFR at or below, correction, at or above 2000 before turning on course.
I guess we'll see how good this thing fares. I'm betting probably not too good. In fact, there's torrential rain right there. I don't. Hey, you might want to go sit down up there. Oh, it's raining in here. Well, so far the tent doesn't look half bad.
Grab Eddie's.
And it would just stop raining by the time you got all that done. So it might be a little windy here at Sun and Fun. As you can tell, a lot of people already left. And it's not because it's Sunday, it's because it is Thursday and it's about to storm like a mother trucker. So we've done the best we can, and now we'll see how much water we have in here. How much do you think you're gonna have in your tent? At least 10 gallons. Mine looks like it's pretty good. However, right here, all this is mesh. So it's not, and as you can tell, mesh. So I mean, really, I don't think I'm gonna have too much in there, but I'm at least a gallon in mine. But I think you're gonna see. I think you're gonna be drier than I am. Yeah, mine on the other hand, it is not holding its shape. That's a fair season tent right there. Made for backyard camping, baby. Plane's not gonna go anywhere. It's only 70-mile-an-hour winds, so yeah. So we should be good. Yeah, love it. Well, and this isn't even the hard wind that came through. We still have more wind to come through. That tent almost blew away. But we got to get all the way up there before all that comes. Well, we made it back after the storm. Still got that lean to it. Let's see how much rain made it inside the tent. Get on top of this. Oh, it's still hard, guys. So far, look at there. There's no water in here. That's pretty good. I'm surprised.
Good job, buddy. I am home east. That looks amazing from up here. Alright, Ken, I got my lights back on for you. That's bad. Me too.
I need a cigarette.
I need some oxygen.
That was, give it up.
Guys, that was just runway 28 winds of calm, 28 left winds of calm. You may have too much debris on the runway on 10.
Headline air show.
Okay. All right. Are you saying we are cleared in yet? Well, what did they tell me? I'm just telling you the runway.
Over there near the pond, do you see the,
I'm not made for paving long roads. I ain't cut out.
Enemy air raid, Pearl Harbor, this is not a drill. Yes, taking you back. 7:55 a.m., December 7th, 1941. Imagine you...
Look, Daddy!